So the purpose of the Competency Task Force is to create a kind of a universal model of competency for newly licensed architects and what it's going to take to get them kind of that base level knowledge, skill, and ability to become licensed.
We started out by looking at a broad array of topics, competencies, trying to define what we do.
We narrow it down by starting big and then realizing, and just through discussion and interaction with other members and communities, what it really means to be an architect and what those essential components are.
Architects do many different tasks and have many different responsibilities. So rather than thinking about the million tasks that all of us take on every day, we tried to think more broadly about what type of competencies are required in order to do those tasks.
We threw everything up there on the board that we thought architects needed to know. And from there, we grouped them into categories and then continually, hone them and finesse them until what we have today.
We have a wide range of ages, race, gender, geographic location, that I think everybody brings their own background and expertise to the table to help come up with what those competencies are and what they've realized in their own careers.
A lot of the research involved was personal experience. So in cases we looked at what we've done over the course of the years. We've also looked at what took place in other countries as well as other professions.
We began our research by looking at other professions' competency standards, and that was really helpful to understand kind of the variety of different frameworks that different professions had come up with to be able to describe their competencies.
So we were really able to use a lot of different research based off of everything from the analysis of practice that was developed here with NCARB to different competency models from other professions and organizations.
So once we got our competencies kind of narrowed down, we sent on a survey that went to thousands of architects for them to kind of give us feedback on to see if our competencies were hitting strong.
I've been comforted by the amount of research that we have. You don't want it to just be something that some architects came up with. You want it to be grounded in facts and research, especially because it's going to serve the architectural community for quite a while.